Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. Today's video will be going to the 7th annual Mopar Day car show, which is held at Oxford Dodge in London, Ontario, Canada. These are some of the classic cars on display in front of the Dodge dealership. So let's go inside and check out some of the cars on display. We have to register our car too. Okay, let's go out in the parking lot and check out the cars on display.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Shout from the top, we're gonna be, we're gonna be.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hope to see you in our next video.